All right, guys, we are here at A&D Jewelry Watch Repair Shop. My friend right here is doing the battery replacement on my transfer case Oakley watch. The only guy I trust with all my Oakley watches. Thank you, my friend. All right, guys, the watch is clicking. Got the new battery right here at A&D Jewelry at the Gilray Outlets from my friend. Thank you, boss. Oh man, what a blessing, guys. Just left A&D's Jewelry and Watch Repair, and he said Merry Christmas, and he did my battery exchange for free. Blessed. Merry Christmas.